कल्याणी श्रूयते वा? कल्याणी श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय।
येनाक्षर यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्यानघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रियै चामृताय च। The exercise here is now on. It is here now on this one. It is on Pratipadika. So we have to find the root of these words. First one is Udu. Now please raise your hands, those who want to answer. Why nobody is raising the hands? Or I'm unable to see about it. Udita Bhagini.
नमस्ते महोदय। उडु इत्येव
उडु इत्यस्य उकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गः वा किम्?
अहमिति चिन्तयामि।
कुत्र आगच्छति उडु इत्युक्ते अर्थः कः?
नक्षत्रं भन्तार तत्र आगच्छति।
भन्तार।
नक्षत्रम् अस्ति अतः प्रायेण नपुंसकम् अस्ति।
अतएव तत् अस्तु। नपुंसकलिङ्गः उकारान्त शब्दः अस्तु। अग्रिमम् उशनाः।
उशनाः सकारान्त उशनस्व
उशनस् सकारान्त वेरी गुड अनूरुः
उकारान्त पुल्लिंग अनूरुः
यस उकारान्त पुल्लिंग शोचिः
शोचिः अपि इकारान्त शोचिः इकारान्तः
शोचिः we have to check शोचिष्केश उसर्बुदः
उकारान्त पुल्लिंग वा
okay I will just park that for now
अन्यथा शोचिस् शोचिस् वा शोचिस् शब्दः शोचिः शोचिसौ शोचिषः शोचिसः न जानामि सम्यक्
अस्तु शोचिः चिन्तयामि एकनिमिषम् शोचिः शोचिष्केश उसर्बुदः इति कस्य आगच्छति so what does it represent
तद् न जानामि अहं शोचिः विषये न जानामि
so there are two words actually one is shochiskesh usharbudah where your pratipadika is shochihi shochi ikaranta pullinga which is agni
अस्तु
then you have rochish shochi rubhe klibe so where shochi is to rochish shochi rubhe klibe
क्लीबे
there you have that meaning is light
अस्तु नपुंसके अस्ति एतत्
नपुंसके अस्ति शोचिः इति नपुंसकलिङ्गे अपि अस्ति पुल्लिङ्गे अपि अस्ति एवं तत्र there are two answers for it next one twit
त्विषौ द्विषः त्विष् अस्ति वा तस्य शकारान्त
शकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गः वा
पुल्लिङ्गः वा तत्र संशयः अस्ति शकारान्तः
so the twit comes in where all it comes so prabha there is one narayana okay I will just unmute narayana so you so so there is one dyutihi so that is strilinga so one is strilinga now next one twit shobhapi there is one more twit oh but okay that I have not taught it is a nanartha varga okay so twit is now according to this twit is the strilinga very good twish shabda shakaranta what you told was correct so the pratipadika is twish the next one is aryama okay I will can I unmute you can I ask others udita bagini
yes please
धन्यवाद so uttama रीत्या uttavati chitra tyagaraja now aryama 5 words for you
नकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः अर्यमन् शब्दः सर
very good next one bhaha
सकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः भास् शब्दः
very good pushanah
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः
illa pusha pushan शब्द पूषा पूषणौ पूषणः
ओके बहुवचनम् आಯ್ತದೆ
विकर्तन विकर्तन Vikartanarka Martanda Mihiraruna Pushanaha is the Pushana is the last word. And it is in Samasa, therefore it is Bahuvachana. So Pusha,
Okay.
Pushan Shabda. Pusha, Pushana, Pushana.
Okay.
So the Nakaranta Pushan is the Pratipadika.
Okay. Saptashwan.
Next is Sapt.
Nakaranta.
Maybe Sapta Swaha Alada. Akaranta.
Akaranta va.
Nama. Baswad Vivaswat Saptashwa Haridashwoshnarashmayaha Saptashwaha. So
Okay.
it is Akaranta of Pullinga. Rama Shabdamari.
Okay, okay.
Next Nabas.
Nabasya. Nabaha.
Nabasya she has given.
Akaranta pullinga hai.
Nabas Shabda. So, but okay, but one thing we should know that there is one more Nabas Shabda.
Sakaranta. Liya nabas.
Illa Kalavarge there is one Nabas Shabda. Venkatraghavan Mahodaya. You don't know that he is not come to the class today. So Narayana, can you tell for Bhadrapada Basa what is the line, Narayana? Bhadrapada. Ekam Syurnabhasya. So Chitra Bhagini, Syurnabhasya is the word. What is that Syurnabhasya?
Nabasya. Nabasya na எனக்கு ராமஹ சப்தம் ராமஸ்ய மாதிரி தோன்றது சார். நபக மாதிரி அகாராந்தா இல்லையா?
அப்படிதான் தோன்றது. இப்ப வந்து Syurnabhasya ஒரே நிமிஷம். Bhadrapada மாசத்துக்கு நபஸ்யான்னு ஒரு பேரு. So if you see the Amara Kosha, let me open the screen. Kalavarga. Now this question is not Naba. If the question is Nabasya, okay. Now if the question is Nabasya, I will just once more. This is a tricky question. Not everybody. This is definitely given to confuse you. So let me go to Kalavarga.
We are all confused.
Now if you come to Kalavarga, you see here. I remember having taught this, but so we are doing the Masa. Shravana Bhadrapada. Syurnabhasya Praushtapada Bhadrabhadra Pada Samaha. This is one line we have taught. We have read. So Nabasya is coming here. Nabasya is a synonym for Bhadrapada Masa.
Oh, okay.
So very good. So that
அப்போ வந்து அகாராந்தா இல்லையா? அகாராந்தா புல்லிங்கம் வந்துருமா அப்போது?
Nabasyaha Nabasyo Nabasyaha. Akaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Mahodaya, one doubt, Mahodaya. Is it different from Ashade Shravanethu Syan Nabha Shravanikaschya Saha?
Where is it? Ashade Shravan.
Before Syurnabhasya.
Before Syurnabhasya.
Yeah, Ashade Shravanethu.
So Ashada, Shravana, Nabhas, Shravanika. These are 4 names for Shravana Masa. Now Bhadrapada Masa is the next Masa. Nabhasya, Praushtapada, Bhadrapada is the name for Bhadrapada. So they both are different.
Nabhas one is another one is Nabhasya.
And Nabhas Akasha is one more thing is there. Nabha, Nabhasi, Nabhamsi, one more Akash, one more Nabha is there. So one is the previous line what you are having. Nabhas, Nabhas, it means Ashada. Ashada Masa. The next line Nabhasya means Bhadrapada Masa.
And another Nabha is comes in Vayu. Nabhasvasvatapana. Is that
That is
different?
Nabhas. That is Nabhaswan.
Nabhasvad.
Nabhas.
Nabhaswan.
Nabhasvat. Nabhaswan. Nabhasvat. That is different. Then, Nabhas. Then Nabaha is different. Nabaha, which is Nabhas Shabda, Akash also. So four things are there. As you rightly asked the right question, it helped me to clarify this to everybody. Good that you asked this question. Okay. So I was focusing on Nabhasya, but you asked this question so that everybody gets a clarification. Very good question which you have asked. Thank you for this. Next thing is Antyaksharam. That means we have to tell the Anta, which Anta it is. Okay. Now, Chitra Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. Thank you very much for answering all the questions. Dhanyavadaha. We'll go for others. Sorry. You are telling something. I just muted you, Chitra Bhagini. Sorry.
Sir. I just some of them I said, but நீங்க தான் இந்த மத்ததுக்குலாம் ஆன்சர் சொன்னீங்க. Thank you so much.
It is a team work. எனக்கு தெரியாத நீங்க சொல்றீங்க, உங்களுக்கு தெரியாத நான் சொல்றேன். Team work.
Okay, அப்புறம் sir, one more thing. I have sent you a mail. I don't know whether you've seen it. இந்த இதுக்கு வந்து நீங்க இண்டெக்ஸ் கொடுப்பீங்களா?
இது I didn't see the mail. If you have sent it today, I have not seen.
Okay. Like okay. ஏன்னா இந்த அமரகோஷாக்கு வந்து இண்டெக்ஸ் இருந்தா it will be easier for us to look.
And the index is there in the book. Which book you are having, it should have an index. Even I am using index only. Index without using index, many times we may also get confused. So index is required. Of course, for any dictionary, index is required.
Okay.
I don't know which book you are. So Chaukamba book has got an index.
இல்ல சார், எனக்கு வந்து I mean this is not I don't say it's a very good book. விஸ்வநாதன் ஜா அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு அவரு.
Okay. அது வந்து அதுக்கு இண்டெக்ஸ் கிடையாது. It is, don't let us not blame the book. The purpose of that book is then அதுல பாருங்க இருக்கா.
சரி, பட் எனக்கு வந்து another good book sir. Kshetraswami is really elaborate. So for all the Sanskrit people who really study in Sanskrit, but எனக்கு வந்து already have one foot in the grave, 73. எனக்கு next வந்து கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருக்கிற புக்கா எது வாங்கிக்கலாம்?
I will send you the photo of that book. Okay, tomorrow I will send you.
Okay, so much. Thank you.
So Antyakshara, Bharat Rao. Ruk.
ಚಕಾರಾಂತ ರುಕ್ ಶಬ್ದ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ.
What is the meaning of Ruk, sir?
Ruk is the Veda, Rigveda. Ruk, Sama, Yajushi.
So this should not be Ruk actually. Then the question should not be this. The question is wrong. Huh? Yeah, it should be Rik. Where is it, Ruk? Where is it coming?
It is in Vagvarga actually.
Okay. So then it is Rik.
Oh, sorry, that is Ru, Swara Ru. Yes, sorry, sir. Yeah.
So idu Ruk. So what is this answer? I was just thinking.
Brightness, light or brightness.
Okay, so if it is brightness, hmm, it's a very tricky one. So Prabha Rugruchi, that Rugruchi is there, no? What our friends Narayan told. Syuf Prabha Rugruchi Twidbha. So it is there in Kalavarga, I think. Kalavarga, no?
No, Mahodaya. It's in sunlight. It's in Digvargaha.
Digvarga. Okay, Digvarga. Last few lines.
Last fourth line.
Last but sure. Okay.
Sir, isn't it Sakaranta Ruch actually?
So it is
Sakaranta Ruch alla adu.
Sakaranta la. It
Alla,
is
sorry, Chakaranta Ruch.
Chakaranta Ruchu, Ruk Rucha Urucha. So Antyakshara is Chakaranta Ruch. Prathama
Chakaranta
Vibhakti
Ruch.
is, the answer is Chakaranta. Triyama.
ತ್ರಿಯಾಮ ಆಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತ್ರಿಯಾಮ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ.
Right.
ಸವಿತೃ ಋಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಸವಿತೃ.
Right. Karmasakshi.
ಕರ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಿನ್ ನಕಾರ ಅಂತ ದ್ಯುಮಣಿಹಿ ಇಕಾರ ಅಂತ.
Okay. Dyumani.
ವಿದುಹು ಉಕಾರ ಅಂತ. ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ. ಆಗ್ರಹಾಯಣಿ.
Which line it comes?
Agrahayani.
Narayana, which line it comes?
Kalavarga Mahodaya.
Agrahayani.
Agrahayani kashtasah Ojayesha sahasramo Agheta Phalgune.
No, previous line. Agrahayani Kaschasaha. Previous to that you tell.
Margashirshe.
Mrigashirsham Mrigashiraha. No, Mrigashirsham Mrigashiraha Tasminneva Agrahayani. That is the line you have to tell. Agrahayani is Mrigashirsha Nakshatra. Okay, very good.
Sir, it is Agrahayani kaha. Agrahayani kascha saha, right? Agrahayani kaha.
Agrahayani anta innondu idiyalla. Tasminneva Agrahayani. There is one more line.
Mahodaya.
Mrigashirsham.
Why does the Margashirsha also has to be Agrahayani?
No. First, which line it comes, you tell me now. There are two Agrahayanis. Agrahayani kascha saha is one thing. Do we have two Agrahayanis or
only one, Mahodaya?
Mrigashirsham Nakshatra, then Nakshatra is there. Then you have Nakshatra then. Mrigashirsham Mrigashiraha.
Shirsham Sahamat Agrahayani.
Sarastan में सिन्मे Agrahayani. It's in Digvarga Mahodaya.
Digvarga. Okay, it is in Digvarga. I am also searching in Kalavarga. So Mrigashirsham Mrigashiraha.
Kalavarga.
But Mahodaya, why is the...
Wait. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది Agrahayani.
So
No.
why...
समाधानिष्ठाष्टपदा भाद्रपदा स्त्रियाः.
It is here, wait, I'll show. Digvarga.
Nakshatram Bhamtara. Next one. Fourth, fifth
Next
one. The Nakshatram Bhamtara.
See here. Tasmin eva Agrahayani. Here on the screen. So now what is the meaning of this Agrahayani?
The name names of the seven in their 27 constellations in their part?
While yeah, in the order it is coming. The one of the this one is Mrigashirsha Nakshatra. So this is Mrigashira Nakshatra is called as Agrahayani. That is the expected answer. Agrahayani. Dishanaha.
ದಿಷಣಃ ಅಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಷಣಃ ಅಥವಾ ದಿಶಾ ದಿಶನೌ ದಿಷಣಃ ದಿಷಣೌ ದಿಷಣಃ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
So there are two things. Dishana is there. Brahmi to Bharati Bhasha is there. Sorry. Deep Prajna. There is one Dishana is also there. What is that Dishana? Buddhir Manisha Dishana. Buddhir Manish. So but this is not that Dishana. Then it is given as Dishanaha. So what is the Dishanaha is what? One who is very good. So Dishana is one, the person who has got good mati, that is Brihaspati, who is the Acharya of Devatas. So Dishana represents Brihaspati.
ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿ.
Very good. Dhanyavada Bharat Mahodaya. I will ask others. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamaritya Uttama. So anybody who wants to answer? Saurabh Mahodaya, you want to take a chance?
Yes, I can.
Tamaha and Diditi. We have two things. Two words.
Tama is just tamasa, sakaranta.
Akaranta or Sakaranta? Just tell that.
I think sakaranta. I'm not sure.
Okay. So now let me. So suppose you. What are the meanings of Tama?
It means darkness, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, dark.
Okay, darkness. So we have not studied darkness yet, I think. Have we studied darkness somewhere? So Narayana, do we have where all do we get Tama?
Tamaswarahu Swarbhanuhu Daivike Yovidhantudaha.
So now you see Tamastu Rahu Swarbhanu. Tama is also the name for Rahu. That means if Rahu is called Tama, which we have studied in Digvarga, so Rahu is also called Tama. That means it is Pullinga now. So the first answer is Pullinga, Akaranta Pullinga, Tamasha.
Akaranta Pullinga. Okay.
Then we have Sattva Rajas Tamas. Where is that? Where does that come, Narayana? Guna Sattvam. Somewhere it comes. No.
Yeah.
Visheshaka.
Gunas Sattvam Rajastamaha.
Gunas.
Visheshaka.
So Gunas. That is the line. So if that in that line we are having Sattvam Rajas Tamaha. So Tamaha is Guna. And it is again Pullinga there. There also it is again Pullinga. Then you have darkness, which you now darkness. Do we have one line? Which is that line? Narayana for darkness.
It's in Sargavarga, I think. Darkness.
Where does it? Andakara. Where does it come?
No.
See, what? So Andakara and Tamas has not come till now. Actually, I am now seeing the index. It is coming in Patala Bhogi Varga. So I have not taught you yet, but Tamas, Tamaha, Tamasi, Tamamsi is coming in Patala Bhogi Varga, which we have not attempted. So for now, what we have attempted, we have two meanings. One is Tamaha means Rahu, and the other one is Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna. Two things we have done. Okay, Diditi. Next one is Diditi.
I can't remember anything about this.
Diditi is a race. Surya Kiranaha. So Banu Karo Marichistri Pumsayo. Rarayana, can somebody tell? Rarayana, can you tell?
Karo Marichistri
Stree Pumse.
So Diditi is race. Kirana. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Dhanyavada. Saurabh Mahodaya, thank you for. Sorry for putting you in trouble, but
No, that's okay. I'm more than happy to try, but I can't contribute positively. So in fact, I'm sorry.
If you try and if you are just oriented towards those lines, it is good. That's all. Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Yamini Tami. So Sriram Karunagaran, he has written in the chat that Yamini Tami is also there. So which means Ratri, but that is Tami, that is a different word because it has got Tamahasya Asti iti Tami. So Ratri is also called as Tami, but that is not Tama, that is different. Okay, thank you Sriram Mahodaya for your inputs on that. Now we will do one more mail and then close for the day. We still have 10 minutes time. Rikta Sthanam Purayata. I think this will be faster for the youngsters. So I will target the youngsters for this. Let me choose some of them. Dhanyavadaha. Varun Nanduri. Saptarshayaha. Saptarshayaha.
सप्तर्षयो मरीच्य स्त्रीमुखाश्चित्रशिखण्डिनः.
Does it come like that?
महोदय सप्तर्षयो मरीच्य स्त्रीमुखाश्चित्रशिखण्डिनः.
Okay. सादृष्टेन्दुः.
सादृष्टेन्दुस्य नीवाले सादृष्टेन्दुकलाकुकुः.
Okay. Very good. Sakuhu. Next. Ekayokya pushpavantau.
एकयोक्त्या पुष्पवन्तौ दिवाकरनिशाकरौ.
Divakaranisaakaro. Very good. Very good. Ekayokya pushpavantau Divakaranisaakaro. Very good. Varun Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. I will ask others and come back to you.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Dhanyavadaha. Now I will go to who else? So you can lift your hand. Nobody is lifting the hand. I don't know for this one why. Dash to Kashta. Saurabh Mahodaya, you want to try?
Yes, yeah. What I can remember is Dishastupa Kubhakashtha. Ashascha Harikashchita.
Okay, this one. Dash Purnamasi Paushi.
No.
Mahodaya, that Stu Kashta is Ashtadasha Name Shastu Kashta.
Yeah, what is this one?
Ashtadasha Nime Shastu
Oh, yeah.
Yes, there's a gap there. Kubha is not there.
Yeah, Kokubuhu Kashta is different. This is Stu Kashta.
Ashtadashanime. Beautiful. Thank you very much for reminding that. Okay. Then Paurnamasi Paushi, what is the answer? Somebody else can answer. Rao Mahodaya. Rao Mahodaya wants to answer. I'll just take Rao Mahodaya. Rao Mahodaya, you want to answer any of these questions? Paurnamasi Poshi. Rao Mahodaya, I think his audio is not working. Amit Mahodaya. Amit, sorry. Amit, once again, please unmute. Amit Mahodaya, please unmute.
Ram Ram Mahoday.
Paurnamasi Poshi.
Pakshantau Panchadasyude Paurmasi tu Purnima.
That is different. Okay. Pushpa
Yukta
now what?
Paurnamasi Paushima Seduyatrasa.
That is what we are looking at because okay. Next, Paushe Dau.
Aham na janami Mahoday. Tu Divyanam Yuganam ek saptati Manvantaram tu Divyanam Yuganam ek saptati.
Okay, very good. Dhanyawada. Uma Bhagini, she was there. She suddenly went away. Uma Bhagini, 1 minute. Uma Bhagini.
This I want to answer this.
Which one?
Paushe Taisha Sahasyau Dvau Tapa Maghe Algune.
Paushe Taisha Sahasyau. Very good.
Yes,
Well done. Dhanyawadaha. Dash to that is answered. Samaratrin Dive Kale Dash Chatat. Radhika Mata Samaratrin Dive Kale.
Samaratrin Deve Kale Vishuvad Vishuvam Chatat.
Beautiful. Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. It was very nice. So you want to continue answering. Now this is this main. How much time we have? 6-8. How many mains we have? Vijnanam. 3 mains we have. We will try for some words here. We have some more time here. Now you have to tell 2 words related to this. Aham.
Ahan is ahaha.
So 2 words you have to tell as per Amarakosha.
Okay.
Dinam, yes. Gas. So what is it? So
Gasra.
Yes. Gasro Dinaha Nivatu. That is the line. Okay. Very good. Vatsara. Next is
Divasa also.
Divasa. Okay. Divasa Vasaro. Yes. Divasa Vasaro. What about Vatsara?
Vatsara is Varsha.
Varsha. So what are the other words for it? Samvatsaro Vatsarobdo Hayano Stri Sharak Samaha. So Samvatsaraha Vatsaraha Abdaha Hayana. So you have 4 words. Hayana. Okay. You can pick any of the words. Up till Krishna, you can pick any of the words.
Suryaha is Adityaha.
Okay.
Tamisraha. Tamisraha.
Okay.
Divakaraha, Nishakaraha.
Very good. Kalpaha.
Ha. Kalpa.
Now kalpa, there are two in one is kala varga only, there are two kalpas. So daivam, so you
Daive Yuga Sahasre Dve Brahma Kalpau Taunrana.
so there you have kalpa. So so one is Yuga Sahasra Dvayam, Daivam Yuga Sahasra Dvayam is called kalpa.
Yeah.
Okay, that is
And
one kalpa. That
then
but
Brahma
doesn't have
Kalpa is different. Brahma Kalpa is different. Brahma Kalpam to Taunranam.
that is that same thing. But but here we are talking about kalpa, which has got two words. But there is one more thing, pralaya kalpaha. I think there was one word.
Yeah, Samvartaha. Samvartaha, Pralayaha, Kalpaha, Kshayaha, Kalpantaha.
So there you have kalpa. So which means we are having some words there. Okay. Dhanyavada Radhika Mata.
Dhanyavadaha, Hari.
So now Krishnan Sri Priya, Shankarapuram Krishnan Sri Priya. Krishnan Sri Priya. You want to ask some question? Please unmute yourself.
Namaste Mahodaya. 2 weeks back only I joined to this course. I need to go through this. I am just listening to this one and all. The question answers is really nice. But can you please guide me how to get the printout and all?
Printout all this.
Printout and everything. And how I have to learn this. Whether through video it is possible for me to learn. And where we are now, that and all I wanted to know, Mahodaya.
So you can just note down one email ID, Sanskrit from home.
Okay.
At vyomalabs.in.
I am already into Balapattamala. Yesterday only I completed that course, Mahodaya.
I understand. Now you just write regarding Amara Kosha course. There is one Usha Bhagini. Usha, she will answer. She will help you with all the information. You have to spend 10 minutes with her, Usha.
Oh, sure.
You write a mail and ask her regarding Amara Kosha course, and you address it to Usha.
Okay.
She will help you answer. If she doesn't help, I will help you. No.
Sure. For her, the separate mail ID is there, or Sanskrit,
same. Sanskrit
from home?
Sanskrit from home. She will only answer that mail.
Okay. Sanskrit. That's it. That's it. Mail ID.
Sanskrit from home @ vyomalabs.in.
Vyomalabs.in. Mahodaya. Thank you.
Shyamala Ramachandra.
Yeah. Chandrama, Chandraha, or Chandrika. And Kalaha, Yamaha, Mrityu Devata.
Kalaha kundi illa. Kalaha valle. Kalaha, what are the words for Kalaha? One Yamaha. So Kala Varga starting you have one Kala, where it is telling Kala means time, Samaya. Kalo, Dishta, Samaya. All these things are there. No? That is also there. But what you said is also correct. Kalo, Dandadaraha, Shraddha Devaha, Yamaha. And answer.
Yamaha. Okay. And Chandrika, Chandraha, Indu.
That's correct.
Chandrama.
Yes, very good. And one more thing in Kala.
Yes.
One more.
Samaya.
Have we done Di Varga? Have we done?
Divarga, yes.
There is color. Divarga, in that we have color, no? Kala also there is one color, no?
Kalaha, that is for Krishna.
कृष्णेन
So Kala also means black color.
Black color, yes.
So Kala has got 3 meanings that we have already studied. Okay, very good. Now what is Krishna?
Krishna, Kalaha. One more dark. Krishna. Shyama. Shyama. Shyama.
First, Shyama and Krishna, just now you finished. That is Krishna Nilasita Shyama, Kala Shyamala Mechakaha is one thing which we have studied. What is the other things that we have studied for Krishna?
Krishna.
Anybody else can remember? Venkateshwaran Gopala, can you remember what all Krishna means?
Vishnu or Vasudeva?
Vishnu, Vasudeva. One more thing what we have studied?
Vasudeva. I don't remember, sir. These two I know.
Okay. Jana Iyer. Jana Bhagini. Jana Bhagini, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, I unmuted. Namaskar.
Now for Krishna, you have any other thing to tell?
Krishna, Vasudevasya putra Krishna.
But that is only in Amara Kosha it is given as Vishnu. So Vishnu Narayana Krishna. Okay. Then there is one more thing that we have studied, which all of us are missing.
Draupadi is also known as Krishna, no?
That is Krishna.
Oh,
that is Akaranta. Here we are talking about Krishna.
Krishna.
Sri Hari. Sri Hari Sri Ram. Sri Lalita.
Sir, Damodara.
Damodara வந்து விஷ்ணுல வந்துடுது. வேற சொல்லு. So we are talking. Correct.
Pundarikaksha.
So, Krishna means Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha, Kala Varga. So Krishna refers to one Krishna Paksha. So that is what we have to tell. There are two answers for Krishna. One is Vishnu Narayana Krishna, and then the other one
Nakaha.
Krishna.
Yeah, Krishna Paksha. Okay. So we come back after this we will stop here. There are some more words to do for today, but we can't finish it now. If we take it, it goes into another discussion. We'll take these exercises tomorrow. Tomorrow we will complete this exercise 3, which consists of Kala Varga and Digvarga. So I think tomorrow we will have some discussions on other things. So I request all of you to be present tomorrow. After this exercise, we will see what is the way forward. Dhanyavada. Swasti prajapya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah go brahmanebhya shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.